see everyone, here we are going to do the activity related to the chapter element, compound and mixture. Okay, now see, I have write down some few terms on the board: solution, heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture, suspension, emulsion, sedimentation, decantation, evaporation and filtration. I will show all these terms through the experiment. Okay, I am having some material. I have already explained the terms in the class. So I am going to do the experiment and you will tell which is going on. Clear? Now see, this bottle is having some water and under this have some sand also. So what you have seen here? Which process is there? Sedimentation. Sedimentation and decantation. Decantation only happens when I will take out the water from it. See, I am having one more. See, here I am having the sand and the water. And I am having a filter paper in another beaker. If I will pour down the water through this filter paper, now see what happens. Water comes down from this filter paper. Now what happens? The water which is coming here, this water is what? This water is called what? This is the process by which process you have taken out the water? By decantation. Okay, so you can use the filter. I have put the filter paper here. So see, some impurities are there on this filter paper. So I am using this filter paper to pour out the water from this muddy water. So what happens? What more happens here? This I am using my filter paper here. Two processes: sedimentation and decantation, as well as filtration. Clear? Now I will show some more experiments. Now I am having the beaker and I will pour some water into it. Okay? Now I am having oil. Now I will add few drops of oil into it. Now see, it gets mixed or not? No. So this is what? Emulsion. Emulsion. So Ruta, can you explain what emulsion means? Any immiscible liquid. Can you explain what is emulsion?
An emulsion is a mixture of two or more normally immiscible liquids.
Yes, emulsion is what? Emulsion is a synonym. Very good. Emulsion is a mixture through two or more immiscible liquid. Immiscible which cannot dissolve, like this drop of oil in the water. So this is emulsion. Understood everyone? Yes. So we have done emulsion also. Now suspension. What is suspension? Can anyone tell? Yes, Ruta.
Suspension is a visible component that are insoluble to another component.
Okay. Now she is saying suspension is a visible solid components which are insoluble to the solvent. Now see, these are visible ones. Is they dissolve in the water?
No.
No. They are visible and they does not dissolve also. So this is called suspension. Understood?
Yes.
Now we have done the suspension also. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Can anyone explain? Yes.
Homogeneous is a mixture of two same types of components, and heterogeneous is a mixture of two different types of components.
Okay, very good. Now I will show you final experiment. I will take some water into this beaker. Okay. Now I am having some salt. Okay. I will add the salt into this water. Now I will dissolve it properly. Now is it visible to you? The salt is visible to you? No. So this is which type of liquid? Which type of liquid?
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous. Why it is homogeneous?
Because the salt is dissolved in water.
Salt is dissolved in water and I have put it added to the salt here. Clear? Now if I will add the sugar also. If I will add the sugar into it. Now what happens? It will get also dissolved. Now what type of mixture it is? What type of mixture? Why is it heterogeneous?
Because there's two subcomponents.
Okay, because there are two different components are there. One is sugar and one is salt. Understood the experiment?
Yes.
Now, see, because